Did you ever felt this kind of thing, like due to a lot of pain points, or like I mean, whatever you have done on the journey, like nothing is working out, and then like whoever is calling, so nobody's picking call, or no access, no resources. So it's almost kind of like almost I'm going to shut down, but I'm going to wait. Like, did that happen? Like, how did you overcome that if that happened?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, I think it happens for many entrepreneurs, especially who starts, with zero investment. I think when it happened, maybe you can take a pause. Nothing wrong. You should not shut down definitely, but maybe you can take a pause. But pause should not be for a longer time. Maybe a 1 day or 2 day you can hold, not a problem. That 1 day maybe you can just forget all the things. That's what I usually do. Whenever I get I'm like helpless in all the areas. It could be
Yeah.
acquiring users, especially when I didn't had a team. Hopefully now I have a team. This happened when I didn't have a team. Then probably just make your mind free by any activity. I go for bike riding or trekking usually to get relaxed. Just go and spend some time, think how to overcome and come back into it. That's what I can probably suggest.
So change the
It can take
environment
time.
is one of the
It's
best thing
not
they can do.
completely shut. Yes, yes.
I mean, that's that's normal in the entrepreneur journey, right? Obviously.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you're just sitting in the same place and thinking, no, I'm not, why it's not happening, and if you're just banging your head, it doesn't, you even feel like it's not gonna work.
Okay.
So you must change the environment.
Okay. And what do you think the online entrepreneur or any kind of entrepreneurship as a whole is an ideal decision for women? Now, a lot of women entrepreneurs encouraging by the government, and a lot of incubators as well. And then self also initiation, a lot of people are coming in. So as a women perspective, like is it really open, or like how differently they could able to do it in this space?
I think see the entrepreneurship definitely is not about a men or women. It's always like I mentioned earlier. It is in you. I think that barrier is already it's already been erased by many young female entrepreneurs. But one thing like you mentioned online, maybe it could be a little easier for women because if it's an offline store, there could be lot of things that they have to physically face. But maybe online could be a small advantage. But again, like if you are putting 50% effort on the only on the online, it's not like the effort will be remain same, either it's an online or offline. Entrepreneurship is same
Right.
for
So,
women or men. I personally believe it's irrespective of gender. Yes.
so the struggles, the journey, and the rewards are the same.
But yes,
So,
for few online, yes, that will always remain same.
yeah.
Maybe they'll have few advantages. If it's an online, they might doesn't need to go for time. They doesn't need to be physically present sort of time. But yes, all other things will remain same.
Any final thoughts about, or like you want to recommend a book, or like you want to talk about filmy profile to your audience in this video, so you can talk about it.
Okay, now if you ask me about a book or something, I would rather say talk to people. I think my
Right.
the biggest learning is when I communicate with people. When I came in with when I come up with an idea and concept, I was thinking this is going to blind the day when I launched it,
Super.
because that features for that's a unique product when I launched it. So I was expecting it goes viral on the same day, but when when I was actually introduced this to the customers, there are a lot of changes, a lot of additional they were expecting through our product. So I would rather say just talk to your customers first, or tentative customers first, and figure out what need to be improved, and then go and blast it.
Okay. So
So coming to
figuring
our
out
product,
the
like I already,
okay. So
yeah,
figuring out what exactly the market needs or the customer needs is the first thing they can do it, right? That's your recommendation.
yes, yes, yes.
And
So like just coming to our product, so
yeah.
Filmy Profile is a networking platform probably for for the film professionals, like the 30 plus categories of film professionals we're currently like actors, singers, dancers, photographers, videographers. 30 plus categories. We actually people are using WhatsApp or Gmail to share their profiles now, but we have a a decent solution for that, where a unique link will be created with every user who logged in, and that link can be shared as a portfolio where the directors or the clients can see all work sample biodata of you. And we also have a network. We personally believe industry or any other industry, the networking is a key part. So when you have connections, opportunities. So we are facilitating the networking opportunities to figure out and to connect with the directors or other co-actors who staying who are in the the city and same industry. So you can actually connect with the people and increase your your possibilities of getting right opportunities. We also conduct an online. We also provide online auditions management platform. So
Right.
it's actually very big process, huge process for any director to conduct even to hire one or two people for for a small role for any movie. They actually have to call 500 people, and the direction
Yeah.
department has to conduct audition for the 500 people also. It might take 1 or 2 days physically for both direction department and the like artist also. There is a lot of time, money is being involved in it. Like, as we are offering an online platform, like where director can post his requirement, every actor or singer, they can record their video or acting skills and upload that video. So instead of calling 500 people, now director have an option to go through all videos, filter the people, and call maybe only 20 to 30 people to the physical place.
Okay.
So that's how our product is. You can just search for a Filmy profile. It's FILMY Filmy profile in Play Store, or you can just log into filmyprofiles.in. So
Got
that's
it.
about our product. You can always, I would also recommend, you also, if you can just, go through our app once, and if you have any feedback, if you think, that we need to improve, you're always welcome.
Sure. Sure. Definitely. As much as value we can provide. Definitely. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
That's it from our end. And any final thoughts you want to talk about this interview particularly?
No, I think it's good. The one thing I like about this is, so if you look at any YouTube channel or any newspaper media, they're all covering the people who are already like on the top, like who already got an awards and stuff. I think it's good that you're also reaching out to the early startups, and maybe taking their views and sharing this to the other entrepreneurs or the people who want to become entrepreneurs. It's always helpful for both of us. No?
Yes.
We would also be promoting this interview through this. We could also reach to some of the customers, or maybe it could be with an VC connects also. Who knows? So it always helpful.
Correct. Yeah. Thank you so much. And this is from our guest today, so Mr. Sudhir. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah.
Thank you, Krishna.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.